the largest in the world. Largest animal, blue whale. Largest land animal, the African bush elephant. The largest archipelago, Indonesia. Largest airport, King Khalid International Airport, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Largest continent, Asia. Largest Gulf, Gulf of Mexico. Largest ocean, Pacific. Largest river, Amazon. Largest island, Greenland. Largest river basin, Amazon. Largest lake, saltwater, Caspian Sea. Largest lake, freshwater, Lake Superior, North America. Largest artificial lake, Lake Met at Hoover Dam, USA. Largest bay, Hudson Bay, North Canada. Largest gorge, Grand Canyon, USA. Largest sea, South China Sea. Largest delta, Sundarbans, India and Bangladesh. Largest peninsula, Arabia. Largest country in area, Russia. Largest country in population, China. Largest temple, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Largest church, St. Peter's Basilica, Rome. Largest mosque, Shah Faisal Mosque, Islamabad. Largest embassy, Russian Embassy, Beijing. Largest democracy, India. Largest electorate, India. Largest warplane, Mirage, France. Largest prison, Kharkov, Russia. Largest hotel, MGM Grand Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, USA. Largest canal, Kiel Canal in Germany. Largest forest, coniferous forest, northern Russia. Largest palace, Imperial Palace, Beijing. Largest stadium, Strahov, Czech Republic. Largest library, United States Library of Congress. Largest museum, American Museum of Natural History, New York, USA. Largest town, Mount Isa, Queensland. Largest dam, Three Gorges, China. Largest reef, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Largest park, Wood Buffalo National Park, Canada. Largest zoo, Kruger National Park, South Africa. Largest strait, Tartar Strait. Largest river island, Majuli, Assam. Largest dome in the world, Astrodome, Houston, USA. Largest inland sea, Mediterranean Sea. Largest city population, Tokyo, Japan. Largest wall, the Great Wall of China. Largest cave, Mammoth Cave, Kentucky, USA. Largest cemetery, Leningrad, Russia. Largest railway station, Grand Central Terminal, New York. Largest university building, University of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Largest open university, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Largest steel plant, Nippon Steel Plant, Japan. Largest active volcano, Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Largest planet, Jupiter. Largest carnivorous mammal, polar bear. Largest bird, ostrich. Largest seabird, albatross. Largest cold desert, Gobi, Mongolia. Largest diamond, the Cullinan. Largest parliament, the National People's Congress of the People's Republic of China. Largest plateau, Pamir, Tibet. Largest mountain range, the Himalaya. Largest bank, World Bank, Washington. Largest cricket stadium, Melbourne, Australia. Largest natural satellite, Ganymede, Jupiter. Largest statue, Statue of Liberty. Largest book publishing company, McGraw-Hill, New York. Largest epic, Mahabharata.